Now let's take this same network and replace all the network devices with switches. The network functions supported by the previous devices are now supported by the switches. One advantage of using switches is that you can make network changes faster using switches than a combination of repeaters, bridges, and routers. Now, whenever a network change is required, you just reconfigure the switch and the change instantly takes effect. Change a switch from emulating a repeater to a router to a bridge, anything you want. Plus, you can do this by specific ports. I don't need to change a whole switch from a bridge to a router. I can just change a single port on the switch. Once again, switches give you the flexibility to configure each port any way you desire. Configuring the switch is easy as well. You can do it locally from a port right on the switch, or you can manage the switch from a long way away. This is called network management and allows remote configuration. Using a management protocol called Simple Network Management Protocol, or just SNMP, a switch can be configured from anywhere. This means if you're a network manager for a large company, you can be in Philadelphia, and you can reconfigure a switch in Japan in just seconds. We'll cover network management later in this course. Remember, replacing all the older devices makes your network work faster and better, but few companies can actually afford complete replacement. Even if a company can afford to replace old equipment, they usually don't throw away the old gear. They might just move it to a less important area of the network.